What's up, y'all? It's Saturday. We're finna go ride. So Blake shows up about an hour late. Needs to work on his bike for an hour. So
it's not my bike.
One of y'all call Joe.
It's not my bike.
Somebody call Joe and tell him we're gonna be late this morning because I'm trying to keep it classy, boys. I'm gonna take the RV90 and show these suckers what's what. So Blake's switching out this tube. In about an hour, we're gonna head out. He got that tube done quick, boys. You can see here where Blake came in, changed his tube. Oh yeah, I gotta put those up a little bit. I mean, this Zook's gonna have to show him what the real deal is. I believe this is a 73. There's a 77. 72 on 1972 Suzuki. Whoa, it's red. Suzuki RV90. It's a goat. It'll climb some hills, and that's what we're taking it to do, boys. Now, them are some nice ram horn handlebars.
Yeah, I need to put them back.
RV90. You gotta learn today. Dude, Twin Hills will be fine without back brakes. Like, you could just go all fronts, bro, and downshift. You want to go?
This one need it?
Yes.
How many strokes does this one got?
4. It says it right there. Moto 4 strokes.
Oh.
That's race gas, boys. Acting like he's waiting on me or something. Not you, I'm talking about this old boy.
So what?
The Eco Boost. Got the breakfast pizza from Quick Trip. That's gravy, boys. Blake likes to get just like full-blown heinous with it in the passenger seat. So
fuck yeah.
Tomorrow I can pull that out of my door jamb or seat crevice, and it'll be even warmer.
Don't forget to check the glove box. Last time you forgot and you blamed it on me because it rotted in there.
But you knew.
That is the trash can.
Yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe today. Share this video or something. Twin Hills motorcycle park trail. So we're gonna see if it lives up to the name, because I brought the GOAT. I brought the RV90. Like, you say Twin Hills to me, and I think of big tires and titties. So that's why I brought the daggum RV90.
Wish I had a better, or that carb was perfect, so I could actually fucking show some people up.
He was gonna race this 150R on the trailer, but the daggum car.
I was gonna race that 300 over there.
Made it, boys. Basically, they're all trying to emulate this old Suzuki right here. That's what everybody's modding their KTM and stuff for, is to be like the Suzuki. Oh yeah. Front tube. Sounds primo. That front tube sounds good.
She's ready to race.
Half choke.
Sounds like shit.
Half choke.
It is on half choke. I knew this was gonna happen.
Bro, there's plenty. You got warmer up. Got that downhill braking. So he's working on his. He's working on his. His ain't unloaded. This old Suzuki, boys. I mean, old as the daggone hills. And I ain't got even. I'm pretty sure this is older than Twin Hills. How long's this hill been here? Hey, how long's this hill been here? This Suzuki's been here since '72. I'm pretty sure they just made this hill.
They probably did.
Show me that Willy Bog. Oh! Hell yeah, boy. Time to sand it, guys.
I'll get through one today anyway. I'm about to fuck this bike up, man.
that a millipede?
Yeah, centipede.
Here, let me get around you real quick.
Red Bull.
Here, try to go forward.
Yeah, that's right.
Give her some more. Keep going. Don't stop.
Woo, Connor! Fuck, dog. Yeah, baby. Hey. No, it's rolling. Oh, shit. Oh, boys. That was rough. That was pretty rough. We all made it. We all made her somehow. Here. Right there. Hey, there's another one right here, Blake. There's another one.
Really?
Yeah.
I tried to find
down. There's another fish right there. Big one. Steer that way, Joe. Yeah, keep turning that way. There you go. Hey, Blake, there's a copperhead coming at you, bro. Right here. Little hairy. Oh my God! So lucky! Never should have went into second gear. Never should have went into second gear, bro. Much better.
board slide, dude.
Oh boy.
The tire's as wide as the pole.
72 RV90. Went all day today. She's still good to go.
Oh, did I lose that?
No, it's still good to go. Yeah, so this morning I put some slime in the old tires. She's peeling. I lost a little bit out here grappling with these guys or whatever. You want to give them a little chain pop demo?
Not really. I guess so.
It held up pretty good, I guess.
I
guess I'll pop a wheelie or whatever.
I'm gonna see if I can't pin her in 30.
I like where you got the shifter clocked down at 730.
Yeah, better.
Nice, right? Dude, for some reason that all missed me. It just smoked your ass. Oh, he almost smoked your ass. That big ass rock. Did you see
Dude,
that?
he would have had to give me the 150.
I was about to get onto you for throwing them at their truck, and then you hit mine. Go get you a jump right there.
Look at that thing.
Fan.
It's getting hot as shit.
Oh, yeah.
I can feel it right here.
Oh, your legs, yeah, they'll start getting warm, dude. Those are some legit hill climbs on that, right?
Right?
Because that was a whole day. That was a whole damn day of it. Jeez. Ripped it. Got old boy's bike broken pretty good for him. I mean, Blake did a good job of breaking his bike in. Like,
Sure did.
it's broken.
I think
It's broken.
Yeah.
It's broken. So nice. Well, that was a fun ride, guys. I'm not so sure the Chapalo knew what it was getting into. I mean, this is good to get better chain grip. And
It's the spokes.
it's the chain jumping on that back sprocket.
No, it's the chain getting up
Oh.
underneath this spoke.
Oh, the spoke's inside of it's a different spoke, dog. Bro, you're running it up. I see it. Nice. That's why you didn't. Oh my. That spoke rattle.
I'm surprised that held up.
Well, did it though? Yeah, I guess it did.
Technically.
We rode it back to the truck easy.
Yeah, I didn't get left behind.
I'm back home. If you guys watched till now, I appreciate it. We had fun. Twin Hills ATV Park. It's in Bridgeport, Texas. So maybe you guys check it out. It's only $10 a person to ride out there, and you could send it all day and really laid back place. So, and I seen on Facebook where some assholes had a party out there and made a big trash mess. So you guys, we didn't make a mess out there. We rearranged some rocks, but that's about it. Don't leave a bunch of trash wherever you go ride, because they get fed up with that shit real quick. I have people come ride at my house all the time, and I fucking get fed up with it real quick. So be sure and respect other people's property. I don't have to tell my subscribers that. They already know the deal. I tear up my shit all the time. I don't tear up other people's shit. So that's that. Thanks for watching. You guys be sure and like and subscribe.